Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to make yam with egg sauce. You can see, because I don't know if some of you are aware there is no yam. That's why we have so many sand on it, because it is no yam. If you are not, this is a very big yam, and I want to know, you know, in the comment section, how much are they selling the new yam at your location. I would advise to buy the big yams so they can enjoy it. So I decided to cut my yam, then dice it into the sizes I want. I love to cut my yam not too big, so it's easier for me to swallow and chew. You have the yam on the gas, so I added my salt, then a bit of sugar just to give it some little sweetness. And you can see the yam is white, not too much water. It's still a new yam, so you don't need to add much water over it. For my egg, I'll be making use of carrots, spring onions, green pepper, hot dog, tomato, pepper, onions. So first process in frying the egg, I put the hot and the oil. Sorry, I skipped some process unknowing to me. So that is spring onions, hot dog, green pepper, and the normal onions. That's then carrot is being poured into the pan. The rest of the vegetable mixed together. Then I added my pepper, tomato, and the red pepper. So I'm adding my spices. That is black pepper, white pepper. Then I go in also with my seasoning cube. Not too much salt, so be careful when adding all these seasoning cubes so that it won't get too much. I leave it for a while to fry for like 3 to 4 minutes, not too over fried, so that I can enjoy the freshness. Just 3, at most 3, max 3 minutes is okay to fry. Then I add my sweet corn, which doesn't need too much frying, so just in there for about 1 minute, just for you to blend with other vegetables. Then that is I go in with my egg, so I allow it fry for a few minutes. Then I decided to turn it to the other, to flip it to the other side, that it get burnt and it cook evenly. So that is few minutes, your egg is done. You can see how colorful the egg is, and that is the yam, the cooked yam. So I'm actually making this for my beautiful wife. That's her plate. She loves this colored plate. So thank you. Like, comment, and share. Bye for now. See you guys.